Hi there! We're so excited to introduce you to ScreenScape5, our new solution for digital signage. ScreenScape5 is a huge redesign of our system, but don't worry, we're keeping the features you know and love. A plug-and-play device that turns any TV into a powerful digital sign, a user-friendly editor that allows you to make beautiful content, and a super fast publishing engine that lets you display your media on as many screens as you want across any size network. To keep it simple, the system is now organized into 3 major work areas: media, playlists, and hardware. Media refers to the designs you want to appear on your digital sign. Any content you add or designs you create from scratch within ScreenScape are simply called media. If you have a marketing team or graphic designer who already creates your designs, all you have to do is drag and drop those assets from your computer right into ScreenScape, where they will automatically become media items. On the other hand, you might want to create your own designs. With ScreenScape5's new template library and media editor, it's your choice if you want to start with a blank canvas or choose from a wide variety of pre-built templates. We have quick start options, dynamic content like YouTube and trivia, and fully realized templates created by our in-house design team. You can change the pictures through drag and drop or file upload, reword and style the text, replace illustrations, anything. Within our file uploader, you can access your favorite apps like Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, and Dropbox. You can also browse our media library to find stock assets that might help you in your designs. When your design is finished, it only takes a few clicks to add the media to a playlist. Then, you can decide if it plays right away or is scheduled to play later. As you may have guessed, a playlist is a specific set of media items that you're ready to play on screen. You can toggle full screen media, choose your widget layout, select a theme, and assign it to as many pieces of hardware as you like. A playlist is then activated by assigning it to hardware. Hardware, of course, refers to the physical device we send to you. Feel free to test drive the system by going to ScreenScape.com now and creating your own account. If you'd like to know more, don't hesitate to reach out by emailing sales@ScreenScape.com or by calling 1-877-666-1975. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media or check out our website at ScreenScape.com.